What's up, guys? Cameron here from Full Access UTV. We've got another great video for you. Today we wanted to talk about our seat extension legroom kit. Now, the KRX has a bunch of space behind the seats, so if you got longer legs, there's definitely some extra room. So it's a very simple kit, just two brackets, got a couple of bolts, a couple of spacers to clear the bolts of the factory, and some nuts. So we're just going to show you just a little bit kind of all the space you have. So right here, we have the PRP firewall bags, and I'll even scoot back the seat all the way. So even factory, it's got plenty of space behind it. So even with the bracket, it moves you about 2.5 inches back. So it's a very simple install, and each kit just comes with one for one seat. So two brackets for one seat. So if you want both passenger and driver side, you'll need two kits. So they come individually, but if you want two, you just got to order two. Super easy install, couple of minutes. Just need a 14mm socket, 15mm socket, and a 15mm wrench. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just remove the seat base. So easy enough. You just want to take off the bottom of the seat. There's just a little hinge you just pull up, and you can take the seat bottom out. Super easy. Set it to the side. We'll come to it. So you have the two bolts in the front. These are the 14mm heads, and two in the back. It's easier, we found, to scoot it up. Always uninstall, reinstall the back bolts. So we'll take those out first. Set them off to the side. Now you just scoot the seat back. You can access those front ones. And the seat comes free just like that. Pull the seat out, set it off to the side. We'll come back to it in a second. Now, you'll get a bracket. Each bracket, you're going to want two bolts, two spacers, two nuts. So we'll put one on at a time. Now, if you can see here, one of the sides has a little ovaled outside, gives you a little bit of wiggle room. There is some frame tolerances, so we found you want to put it on the front facing, the hollowed out side you want it on the front facing of the vehicle. We'll reattach. Actually, I skipped a step there. So what we found was the easiest way, you put the bolt upside down and you'll be able to tighten it. So put the bolts in, spacers will go over it. We'll do that after we tighten it down, but easiest way, just put this back on, get them tightened down a little bit. We'll do the other bracket. Same thing, put the bolt upside down, put the other bolt in, and then we'll grab our factory bolts and tighten those back down. So now that you have it back in, you want to put your spacers back on. Put it over each of the bolts. And then you put the base of the seat back on. So you line up these front sides of the seat into it. And then we found it was always easier to do the back ones. So just slide it. And here's where we're going to switch to our 15mm bolt heads. So get the 15mm socket in your wrench. Get the nuts started. Just push up on the bolt. Goes going. Now we'll tighten it down. So use the wrench head on the bolt head, and you just stick your arm kind of down the side. Just make sure you get to the bolt. Tighten it down. Same thing for the other side. If you can't reach, you can come across on the driver's side so you can reach. But either way works, no problem. Now you just scoot the seat back, get the other two nuts on this kit. If I can. Same thing. So get wrench down in there, tighten it down. And you're good to go. All you do, grab the base of the seat, put it back on, and good to go. You can still scoot all the way up, scoot all the way back. Now, when you're scooting it back, when you're not sitting in it, you do have to have just a little pressure on the front side when you're sliding it. So even all the way back, still got all this space, even with the firewall bags. And you'll notice the driver's side seat is just as far back because we do have the seat extension kit, but we also have our flip forward kit on it. So some of you may have it. We originally just had the flip forward kit on this, but we realized, like, why can't you have both, right? So we are redesigning the seat bracket, but for now, you just have to drill a hole right here in the base of the flip forward bracket so you can get this factory bolt through. Our new design, you'll be able to attach it. We'll have the hole cut out for you, but if you already have the kit, easy enough, you can install it because you can have both. And as the driver, if you have longer legs, but you also have, you need some space to reach the steering wheel. So our steering wheel adapter brings it out some, and you have a steering wheel. So even with both kits, it's fantastic. It's super easy. And you still have all the space behind, even with these firewall bags. We also have behind the seat bags. They're smaller, but you have all the space to get to them. And now you have more leg room. So it's a super easy install and takes about a few minutes. Just need a couple of parts, and we'll come show you the kits. You can search on our website the seat extension, the legroom kit. Again, each kit only is for one seat at a time, so you would need to if you want both seats. Other than that, that's the whole video for it. Super easy install. We have a lot more products coming, so like and subscribe so you get notifications when our new videos come out. We're going to be touching on our new products coming out, as well as old products that we have new ways of doing things, make it a little easier on you, and make sure your ride has everything it needs. So stay tuned. Thanks, everybody.